I started my PhD in 2020 in Brunel University in civil engineering. I've been working in the college a year and 2 months as a lab technician for the geotechnical engineering lab. We teach students how to deal with the soil samples, or how to test them, and what we test. We have here very advanced equipment to do multiple soil testing that's needed for civil engineering projects. What makes the teaching experience different in West London Institute of Technology is they always give the lecturer the opportunity to create, to apply, to demonstrate their experience, and to teach students just to get the most out of the teaching process. When we do an experiment here, we take the students outside and let them get the samples and test them here. So when they graduate, they should have some experience with what they will deal with in the real life situations.